Can you believe it's been a whole 7 years since we opened our doors? Hi, I'm Lydia, and on behalf of the whole of the team at Altenew, I would like to thank you so much. We really appreciate your support through the years. As our anniversary month comes to a close, let's take a look back at the 7th year anniversary celebrations and what we did to celebrate our birthday this year. As always, we held an exciting series of 4 back-to-back blog hops in the beginning of the month to kick off our anniversary festivities. In collaboration with lots of talented crafters, designers and companies, we hosted a giant giveaway on our card blog sharing crafty inspiration with our beloved fans. And that's not all. Throughout our anniversary month, we offered extra amazing deals and promotions to show our appreciation to our Altenew fans. We value each and every one of you, and we hope that this fun perk made your day. Wondering what else we did to celebrate? Treasure hunt clues, free prizes, behind the scenes secrets, a bear riding a bicycle? We were so excited to celebrate our 7th anniversary here at Altenew with the first of a kind treasure hunt. In honour of our countless supporters and Altenew fans, we brought you 4 exclusive weekly videos throughout our anniversary month. Each video featured a fun clue that would lead you to one of our social media channels, so you could enter our weekly giveaway for the chance to win a $70 gift certificate to the store. In addition, all entries were automatically entered into our month-long giveaway for the chance to win our full May 2021 stamp release. Keep watching to find out who the winner of this giveaway is. But first, let's take a closer look at each of our treasure hunt videos to see how you did with solving the weekly clues. Our first video featured an informative, detailed behind-the-scenes look at our production process for Altenew products. Our co-founder Jen shared some insider info about the stamp design process, as well as sneak peeks for future releases. The clue in the video featured a picture of a traffic cone and a bag of flour. If you put the 2 images together to come up with the word coneflower, you were correct. As the description below the video mentioned, Altenew fans were asked to head over to our card blog to find the post that featured Alton Bear. If you clicked on the Build a Flower Coneflower Layering Stamp and Die Set Release blog hop post, you are on the right track. We added Alton Bear as one of the guest designers for this blog hop. While Alton Bear can't craft as far as we know, he held the answer to solving this clue. If you clicked on his name, you would have been led to a special page congratulating you on solving the clue. Depending on your birth month, you could answer one of 3 questions back on our original treasure hunt video. Our second treasure hunt video was a fun blooper reel that our team really enjoyed putting together. The clue that popped up in the middle of the video was a series of images. An eye, a card with the letter A from our All About A stamp set, a picture of a door and a close-up of the word you on a beautiful handmade card. Altogether, the images represented the phrase I adore you. As we mentioned in the video description, you should have headed over to our Facebook page to find a card post using our Adore You stamp set. We asked you to comment your favourite Altenew video in the comments of the post and then return to our YouTube channel to leave an emoji of your choice. We loved reading your responses and taking a look back at some of our own favourite videos available here on our YouTube channel. Our third video was full of nostalgia and memorable reflections as the Altenew leadership team took a look back at some of their travel memories over the years. We had fun discussing our memories together, and we can't wait to get back to travelling again soon. In this video, Alton Bear carried a banner featuring a picture of our April Create and Inspire ebook, an exclusive Altenew monthly edition filled with the crafty inspiration and card making ideas that we send out to our newsletter subscribers. This month's feature had some fun instructions at the bottom that encouraged you to comment your favourite project from the book on our YouTube video. As a bonus entry, some of you posted the common theme behind all of the project names in the newsletter. They all had the word dream in them. Finally, our 4th and final treasure hunt video, we had the inspiring message from our very own CEO, Nabil, as he reflected on 7 years of growth here at Altenew and shared his appreciation for our loyal Altenew supporters. The clue from this video was a picture of Alton Bear beside a picture of the Earth. In the video description, we asked you what Alton Bear was missing, and if you said he was missing his bike, you got it right. The poor guy didn't have his bike anymore. But once you headed over to the Instagram page to find our Earth Day post, you saw that he had his bike back. To To enter the giveaway of our 4th week, you simply had to comment the Alton Bear was missing his bike on the Instagram comments and then leave an emoji back at the original YouTube video. And that is all for our anniversary treasure hunt. We really do hope that you've enjoyed it. Please let us know in the comments what your favourite video was and if you want us to do something like this again in future. And for the announcement you've all been waiting for, the overall winner for the 4 weeks of the anniversary treasure hunt is this special Altenew fan. Congratulations! Please read the description in the comments to see how you can claim your prize. And with that, we wrap up our 7th anniversary celebrations. This anniversary has truly been one like no other. We are so grateful for all your love and support, and we can't wait to continue serving you into the next year and beyond. Have a beautifully crafty day.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!